and I know I haven't done a video in a long time, but I promise I will keep doing videos for you guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'll start by brushing my eyebrows down so I could do the line on top first, and I'm using the Anastasia in this deep brown pomade. So yeah, and then I'll be using this little brush. And then I get this little thing. It's broken. Yeah, I broke it because I accidentally dropped it. So I'm gonna be using this brush. And then I'm just going on top to make my jewelry. And then we're gonna go with this one. And that's my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna do put the naked so I can clean up the eyebrows. And spread it down. And same with this one. But for this one, I'll be right back. Finger, I'm gonna blend it on. Go to the bottom. Morphe, and I'll be using this color up here. So yeah, and I'm using this brush, and it already has a color in it. So I'm just spraying it all over my eyelid. So I've actually decided to use this color and this color right here. And then I'm using, we're gonna make a line right here, and I'm using this brush. It's a little, just a little one. See? And then I'll put some naked here of this one, just in case you guys are like, what? So just get a little bit and just focus good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. I am back, and now I am gonna add this little glitter on the line. It's gonna be like sparkly. So I might have to take a little time to come back so I could like dry. And then I'll put it here again too. And I will show you for the first one. Then the second one I'll be off camera. Okay? So I'm gonna be using the same brush, by the way, because I don't want to use a different brush. and so I have to have my eye closed because then it would spread everywhere. So I'll be right back when it dries, and I'll be back with the other one too. Okay, so I'm back and they're both done. So then I am done. So guys, I was gonna put my eyelashes on, but I noticed I didn't have any glue, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And I'm using this one. I am so in love with this one. Like, I don't care if they say, oh, Sephora's and whatever. I think that this one's better. And like, if I ever use a different one, it's because I'm like trying it or anything else, or because I don't have some and I just had that extra one. Okay. So then we're just gonna put, I'm not gonna really put foundation. But this foundation, it's Naked. I love Naked. Love the Naked brand. Just a little bit. The top, to like clean the top of my eyebrows, I like cleaning them with like my foundation, so I'm gonna just go ahead and, where is that brush? Just clean it a little bit. Brush it off because it's dirty. And then so if you guys are hearing my sister, she's laughing because I have my little doggy right here. It's Jackie. Okay, and so I'm gonna be using the Naked to put a little bit down here. So I'm be using this palette, and I'm going to be using this color, and then I'm be using this little brush. like this one because it's not too. It doesn't really work because I have big cheeks. Let me get them to look thin. I'm gonna get this brush. Okay, then we're gonna use this one. Okay, that's it. This palette, and I'm using this one right here. It's just that my thing broke. Okay, I'm using this thick palette. I don't really want to show it, but we'll be using a dark brown. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my video for today, and if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, then I don't know, just ignore me. But if you like seeing my videos, subscribe right here and comment down below, and me and my little doggy will be happy to hear from you. Hey, Jackie. Bye.